Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll be learning about mathematics in engineering, and this is with respect to the subject Indian knowledge system. So we'll see uh, how mathematics has, influenced the engineering practices. So let's start with introduction. What is engineering? It's the application of scientific and mathematical principles to design, build, and analyze systems and structures. Why mathematics? Because it is the foundation for logic, design, problem solving, and innovation in engineering. So let's see what we will focus in this video is about. We'll explore how India's traditional mathematical knowledge has influenced the engineering practices. So we'll first see the importance of mathematics in engineering. It is important because of the structural designs, the structural design of the buildings. We use geometry, calculus, and trigonometry to design buildings. And in electrical circuits, we use algebra and differential equations. In fluid mechanics, we use calculus and numerical methods. In software engineering, we use logic and discrete math. And in control systems, we use linear algebra and Laplace transforms. Next, we'll see Indian contributions to mathematics. Aryabhatta has contributed the approximation of pi, the value of pi, and trigonometric functions. Brahmagupta, rules of zero and negative numbers. Bhaskara II, calculus concepts, cyclic methods. Srinivasa Ramanujan, infinite series, continued fractions, modular forms, and many more. Next, we'll see ancient engineering achievements in India. We have 3 points here: Indus Valley Civilization, Iron Pillar of Delhi, and temple architecture. In India's Indus Valley Civilization, urban planning and drainage systems were done. We have the drainage systems from the Indus Valley Civilization, and they have been, planned by the geometric layouts. Uh, in the Iron Pillar of Delhi, we all know Iron Pillar of Delhi. The uh, the speciality of this pillar is it doesn't rust. It has no rusting properties. It is because of how we have used mathematics in the chemical composition of the metals, the metallurgical excellence, and based on the proportions of the metals and the science that we have used. That's why it doesn't rust. And in temple architecture, the precision in the measurements and the symmetry and geometric alignments. Because of that, you can see the temple architecture. In Vastu Shastra is ancient Indian science of architecture. It relies on geometric ratios and grids. Shapes and directions are used to make a building strong and energy efficient. The examples are symmetry, orientation, and modular design. Math ideas like grids and angles are used to design homes and temples. Next, we'll see mathematics in Indian astronomy, Jyotishya. We use trigonometry and algebra in astronomical calculations, and we design calendars and timekeeping systems. Uh, we use algebra and trigonometry to predict eclipses and time. And in instruments like yantras, they have helped calculate planetary positions, all using maths. Next, we'll see mathematics in modern Indian engineering. In IITs and ISRO, mathematical modeling for space missions has been used. And in infrastructure, of course, to build bridges, tunnels, dams, they all use calculus and numerical simulation. And in AI, artificial intelligence, and machine learning, it is based upon linear algebra, statistics, optimization. Integration into Indian knowledge system. Emphasis on holistic learning. It is important for us to uh, learn in a holistic manner, integrating both modern and traditional mathematics. We need to have the knowledge of both and integrate and use them. Reviving ancient techniques through modern tools. We need to revive the ancient techniques and use them in our modern tools. We should have a combination of both. Encouraging this interdisciplinary studies in engineering education. It is important to educate and learn and use them in our life. The conclusion. Let's come to the conclusion. Mathematics is the backbone of engineering innovation. Indian mathematical heritage has enriched global engineering practices. and need to blend ancient wisdom with modern science is necessary for sustainable development. So that's all for today's video. Thank you everyone. Have a great day. Bye bye.